So hello and welcome to my first video in series in 4 videos in English. And actually I'm studying AI for quite a time, and now I would like to present to you our business case, because in my studies I never encountered real business case for the entire AI workflows. Everyone's just talking about how AI is good and what you can do with AI, but actually no one is showing the real business scenarios where the AI applies, what AI does, and what can be achieved with AI. I'm sorry, I will switch the screen. So now we are looking into our ERP system, which we are producing. We are a software company based in Czech Republic. So I apologize, but all those texts are actually in Czech. I will describe them in detail. And now we are using for our video conferencing. We are mainly open source, purely open source company. So for our purpose for telcos, we are using Big Blue Button. It's a software for classes, but it's also suitable for a business meetings or online meetings. Here you can see that I have some room, and when I start meeting, actually, you can see that it is immediately
You are
recorded.
currently the only person in this conference.
And when it's recorded, our clients and our project team already knows that every session or every meeting is recorded. We are producing software in agile manner, so then our business meetings or sales meetings and also our project meetings are immediately recorded. After the recording or a session finishes, then it is transcribed. I've selected one of our project management meetings. Here you can see the raw transcription, which is done via AI, uh, which is best suitable for Czech language, which is a little bit harder than English. You can select any speech to text provider for English language, but we are using different service which is really good for Czech, because Czech is a little bit more difficult to translate in English. And here this is the raw transcription. This is the summary, and the AI is also producing tasks. Here you can see that we have already individual points in task. Select something from Excel, check the correctness of the VAT ID, and so on. This all is produced via AI. So this is extracted from the raw transcription, summary, and then individual tasks, which are then assigned to the specified project manager. All is done automatically. This is why we are called Auto ERP. Everything will be automated, and AI is the final state of automation. So now we have recording, which I will stop, then summary, tasks, and then for our developers, which I will show you only in a scaffold, not the whole process, on the right screen. Here is the coded button. Here is the coded button. I can press it. Now it says done, and there is then created channel in the MetaMost, which we are using. I hope that it will load, and it's loading. It's a little bit slow. I apologize. Don't know why. Now here you can see that here are the individual tasks with task IDs. This process is not fully finished yet, but it is working in an alpha or beta version. Here the channel was created, and also after a successful coding of the task, which probably this chat ID will be updated, 56A, not yet, but then in the task, if it is empty, the channel ID is created, and also there is created a merge request because the AI is coding itself the whole task. And I don't know if this was the right one, or actually I can't see the whole merge request, which I apologize for, but AI is creating also merge requests. We can try some different task, and I can see it now. It's probably not working for some reason. I don't know why, which is strange. Okay, I will try to show it here in the previous conversations. Mr. Dev is it is a bot using either chat, and here was the merge request 49 closed, approval. Yeah, they are deleting the merge branches. It is creating a branch, and here you can see that either is responding to the task, and it is also creating the commits. It is classic. We are using for now either chat, and it is coding directly into here. It is newly created today, 6:32 a.m., which is probably 6:35. Here you can see that it created the here it takes time. So here is it fresh? Yeah, ready to merge, and 3 comments I'm searching for sometimes 2 minutes ago, and commit 3, and hop. Here you can see one file, and I don't know where are all files. Commit changes. Yeah, here you can see all changes in our GitLab, which is created in CRC backend classes, select task, primary filter, urgent, PHP, and the assignment was it is necessary to create for entity task a new primary filter urgent, which filters by priority urgent, and this was created all via either AI. So this is our basic workflow, and probably the meeting ID changed. Nope, which is strange. Yeah, it actually changed. Yeah, here you can see that it is directing me into the today's channel, which was created several minutes ago, 6:32. 3 minutes ago, this whole merge request was created. So actually it is working, and this is our whole workflow. And in a near future, I mean in several weeks, we will have full testing of those codes, deployment, and also with usage of our another tool, which is called AI Spy, which is automation of browser. On Anthropic already released their computer management, but we are now creating we are creating our own solution for browser automation. And now I will show you the principles of that tool, which is here. This is the dev chat, and here is the sample. Nope, just a second. Here are some spy runs. Yeah, and I will try to look. Nope. Actually, it is not adding me. I'll try to. I don't know under whom I'm logged in. What is my profile? Oh, little mistake. Yeah, this is my username. Yeah. No, this is not the one. Oh, Spyron. Uh huh. And I'm trying to find. No, this is no. This is not the desired channel. Spyron. I will try to unarchive. No, this is also not the desired one. I'm trying to find the channel which actually has some screenshots, because our spy is creating screenshots. No, October 8th. I'll probably not find it. I have it in chat, but there are some private information, so I won't show it to you currently. But we basically have a browser which is fully automating the tasks in for the web forms, and it's browsing the web. But I want to show it to you, definitely, and I just need to find system console. I hate editing videos, so this is the way I'm trying to find menu invites. I will try as long as it won't be there. Here somewhere. Yeah. Nope. This is the log just without the print screens. You can see that it is browsing to alsa.cz, but somewhere, Spyron. I will try to find the. Here are probably 16th, 17th, 18th, 20th, 29th. Yeah, maybe here. Yeah, here it is. This is the principle. Here you can see this is the classic principle of print screening individual pages and selecting the appropriate action and then performing that action. Here it is configuring some cars in car configurator. So this is the principle with full lock into the Mattermost, and now we are using Mattermost as a platform for agents where they are communicating and creating their memories. We are also, for example, utilizing one open source project for which we've a little bit improved. Also, as always, presentation, nothing's working. Here you can see that there are some conversations based on the data from PDF files and also from the database. So we are connecting those bots to the databases, internal company databases, and all those things can be done in APIs for commercial companies. I mean, for via APIs of OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or any other commercial API, closed source, and also they can be connected to the Llama 3.2, for example, and also they can be connected to the NVLM NVIDIA LLM, which is currently probably the best one, or Qwen 2. Is it this one? Is it the correct one? NVLM, here it is. And currently there is probably Llama 4 in production, and Grok will be there. I don't know if it will be open source, Grok 2, or any other open source models can be utilized. We also have the invoice extractor, which is extracting invoices from our suppliers, which is mainly good for the European market. Here you can see that in our CRM we have our supplier invoices, and for here, for example, here's the one, and here's the sum and the variable symbols and the accounts. This is the German-based accounting, so it's much harder than in the US, for example. And here you can see that we can click on extract items. It is sent to the API, and then LLM is reading and parsing that invoice, and it's returning the description. We will wait for a second, and then here will appear the actual name and items from that invoice, hopefully. Oh, yeah, probably there isn't any description. Programming. Oh, this is definitely a bug, because it is desired that here you will be able to see the extracted extracted name of the item, which isn't currently there. I will report it, but in some other there can be a problem with structure or anything else. Here you can see that I'm looking into the comparison, and I will try it in here. It will probably it will change the currency, because this was in the US dollars, and also I hope that it will change the description by the one described here. Starter, there's starter written. We'll see if it will update all the items. No, it is not updating items, so this is definitely a bug. There's also a bug with this is the new version, so as always the actual currency was changed, but there's still crowns, not US dollars, and there is missing the description. So this is for now all.